Our mission is to serve families and children who are dealing with life-altering medical conditions. And we do that through sort of the crown jewel of our program is the summer camp program. If you think of a summer camp program anywhere, we do that, but we adapt that to the children and the families that we serve.
So in 2021 alone, PSC awarded over $1 million to 15 community-based organizations, tribal entities, and housing authorities that serve low-income or Black, Indigenous, and people of color.
This solar grant is really important because it's directly aligned with Camp Korey's goals to reduce our carbon footprint and reduce our emissions. We learned through this project that over the next 3 decades, these solar panels are going to help us reduce our emissions by over 420 tons. That's great for our campers and families, and it's great for this wonderful setting that we get to call home.
So using sustainable energy not only benefits the sustainability for this property and for our environment, but also teaches that next generation. Because just because you're a kid that's dealing with a serious or life-altering illness doesn't mean that, that you don't have your part to do. Because a lot of times our kids come from a lifestyle or a mindset where they feel like they're sort of the victim of circumstance. But you put them in that role of being somebody who can do something, and you'll see them become these great activists. So it's really cool. So in that way it gives them a contribution that they can make to the sustainability of the property and to the environment that they're a part of.